People always ask me who's the prettiest, most beautiful goddamn creature on the planet, and you know what I say every f***ing time? This bitch.
I love my sweet little boy.
This family makes me want to murder people.
No, look at me like that again, please. Hey, let me see how you were looking at me when I wasn't even looking at you. Are you gonna kill me? They'll find this on my phone.
Mother, I crave violence.
Excuse me, sir, can you read this?
Cause you know that baby I'm your biggest fan. I follow you until you love me. Paparazzi. Beware, cause everywhere she be, I'ma be there like. Hello, my name is Susie. That's Susie with the Z. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Ugh.
It's my life.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood. Teeth like razors to suck the meat from your bone.
Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah, doo-dah, hope I get away with it. Oh, doo-dah day.
Are you hungry? Say yeah!
Oh, he's not happy. Anna, don't. Oh my god. Baby. Oh, you're dramatic.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Why are you so loud?
好久不见，当你看到我出现，蓝色回到你耳边。